Yeah, this has become a regular feature in the diary. We like to invite as many customers and as many of our top suppliers and partners for a couple of days. And it really gives an opportunity for people to not only look at new machines, see demonstrations, but also talk about parts they're making, any challenges they have with work holding, or whatever else really. We have everyone here and it's a really good time to relax, have a bit of lunch and talk through their challenges for the year.
So I enjoy coming down to the Hurco Open event every year because it gives us an opportunity to speak to existing customers that attend and also new prospects, so we can demonstrate Autodesk technology to, and it gives us a good insight on our competitors as well and what they're going to do in FY27 next year.
So MSC and Hurco, we have a partnership together. We have a couple of Hurco machines in our tech center as well. And it's a great opportunity to meet with customers today.
Had a great day here at Sonaline International with all the other exhibitors here as well, and looking around at all the new technology and all the new machines. Look forward to working with them in the future.
First of all, we work very closely with Hurco. Our tooling is on the machines and it's showcasing what we can ultimately do together in terms of their machinery and our tooling packages. Have a ball of a time meeting new people and ultimately to showcase what we offer as a company.
Hurco are a very important customer to ourselves. I personally look after Hurco as an OEM support. We supply rotary tables, Kittigower chucks to Hurco and obviously look after them going forward, helping with application support if we're needed with some of our products. If we come along, we meet old customers, new customers, competitors who become friends at the end of the day. So we're all here and supporting the Hurco sales and apps teams, everybody else. It's like one big family. Open houses are really there to promote everybody's products.
So today we've come down just to have a look around. We're looking to invest in the DCX 22i. So I wanted to get a feel for it, see what we can do with it. We're going to go with the 84, but it's looking like we're favouring down the 22 route and potentially getting a rotary table as well.
I really enjoyed the 2 days. It's an opportunity to get together with all our sales guys are here, all our applications guys, but also all our main suppliers. So it's really good to have a year-end catch-up, see any new product they're showing. And also, I say the customers, if you start getting positive feedback, people are pleased to see you, it does make you feel good.